Testing. Can you hear me or not? Can everybody hear me? If you said yes, please say yes. Put yes in the chat box. Thank you. My apologies again. We are having problems, so we are not able to do screen captures. Tell him, see market, trade market. Okay, you can see gold is moving already. E-mini is going already. Gentlemen, the market is moving up faster than suspected. It's moving on real time. The S&P, the euro is not moving, but S&P 500 and gold is moving. Gold is going down. S&P 500 is going up. Test 2000 and retrace downwards. So Jackie, relax. Okay, strong or weak, we do not care. We see market, trade markets. Now we are waiting out for confirmation candles, because while the move is great for S&P 500 is 6 points only, not enough. Gold is the gold movement only is only less than 10 points only, so it's not good enough. So we have, because in the movement, while big candles, the candles do not give us enough quantitative value to justify entry point. Okay, if you notice from our good friend gold is 1261, drop down to 1244, means what? Basically we are looking less than $10 move. Go for $10 is not enough. S&P 500, same thing. Okay, so now we are waiting for confirmation candles. Now we are in the second minute of non-farm payroll. The two candles we see now on the S&P 500 chart, okay, bad news. Okay, they are all inside candles. Okay, euro, off euro now, because to me the euros is non-event. Okay, let's us take the space and go and spread out for our call call. Anyway, Dr. Fu is monitoring the euro. Anything happen on the euro side, Dr. Fu will give us a nice hot update. Okay, look at candle, gentlemen. First candle bar, decent size. Second mini candle bar, small, nowhere inside candles. Third candle bars, inside candles. For this non-farm payroll, my intention to look only for the first 15 to 20 minutes maximum. After that, we will not look at non-farm payroll. We will not look at it, because if the market do not give us a buy sell buy signal or short signal within the next 15 minutes or so, you will turn out to be what you call a non-event. Means that cannot trade. Euro E-minis look good. It just test out the first candle bar. But my advice to you, in light of the fact that we don't have much, the movement is not that great, because the bottom line is approximately 1194 or 45. Now here the target down there is only less than 7 points movement. The candles is big compared to the previous candle, but the high seven, now the current high from the lower candle is about 7 to 8 points only. So I will want to, in light of the small move, so-called 8 points movement, which is very small, I like to wait for a higher time frame. That means what? We were switching this trade from M1 to a 5-minute candle trade. Okay, let the market make up the mind. Okay, so now if you switch over to the M5 candlesticks, okay, for the E-minis now, for us to consider do a long position to buy. Okay, Virginie can hear us from the other side. Can you hear? No, I'm talking about the webinar side. Okay, for us to consider a long entry for this non-farm payroll, it must breach the candle high of 2001 point. In this case, I will suggest you to add another 2 more points on. Means what? Break the high of the candle plus 2 more points. Then you go long. Any questions? Please put it on the chat. So then I could, if possible, I'll answer you on the spot. My chat problem. How, Dr. Fu, your Euro side, anything interesting? Last time I saw it a few minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, was very quiet, nowhere.
Okay, because the non-farm payroll result was excellent, 240K in employment. Okay, as you can see, okay, dollar strengthened, euro dropped by 700 points. Now the market stabilizing, so we have to wait until the market stabilize before we consider to take a trade.
Oh, okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for those who are interested in gold, do take note. Okay, the candle had break through it, but the value, we have not entered a trade yet because of the value of the move. While it's big candles, the value is not enough. For us to enter the trade now for gold, we are looking for gold to drop below 1,250 points at least. Okay, at current S&P 500 futures tested break the 220.25 level, but failed to break through our so-called long objective of 2003 points. Now, market price quoting for S&P 500 is approximately 2001 point. We will still wait for the market to confirm the directionality breakout with strength. Look like gentlemen. Sorry, Mr. Market is not very cooperative. Okay, you have seen before. 1 minute only, hood go in already because big enough move. Today, the move 6 points, 8 points for S&P 500, and gold is nothing. So doesn't mean it's big candles we run into it. The candles must got some strength. Not candles, not all big candles are good. A big candle of 5 points, a big candle of 15 points, and big candle of 50 points, you should know which one more powerful. And we will always try to seek to enter the most powerful mode. You see before 1 minute go in, go out. I think you were there when I lost in 4 minutes. I lost $2,400. It was so fast. I think most of you never observed it. That some of you asked me how much I make. I said I lost. Let's wait 15 minutes. Tonight I look at it, no event. Go up, now become pin. Then our friend S&P 500 also same thing. Any opportunity, Dr. Fu, your Euro side, any opportunity to recommend to long or short? No?
We have to wait until the candle finish. But yeah.
Me, we have to, for me, I do the same thing. Why? The candles are not with conviction. If this is not a 6 points move, if this is a 30 points, a 20 points move, I will enter intra candle. 1 minute. Okay. Oh, by the way, do me a favor, gentlemen. Do not take. Oh, Thomas said 15 points move is a big move. Oh. This is the moment in time. Oh. In the moment in time. Oh. If you compare to say 6 months ago, a 10 points move, I would have gone in already. Now, because the market is so move is powerful. Daily move is quite that powerful. So my non-farm payroll FOMC move must equally more powerful than the day move. 6 months ago, 10 points we just gone in already. Now, wait. Why? You can see the S&P 500 one day can go up 2%, 3%, 50 points. So now the 10 points no standard already, must go 15 points. If the market quiet down, daily trading range for S&P 500 now is go down to say averaging 15, 20 points a day. Then a 10-point move, we gone in already. 8-point move also go in. But now daily is about 40 points, 30 to 40 points move a day. So a 10-point move in this context is nothing. So it's not a fixed number. Your price action value or the big candle movements is always in relation to what is the market status. Very quiet or volatile market. The more volatile the market is, the bigger the move is, then your triggering candle must be equally as big. If not, you will trading market noise. And you know like now, if I enter early on the first minute I tell you now Chinese say I'll be lucky to get break even plus but lucky to get break even plus. Hmm? Mm. Any questions for my Thai and Vietnam students? Please put the message up onto the chat so that Regina can tell me the ask a question for you. Regina, any questions from the Thai and Vietnam? Look like tonight look like a non-event night like that. On average last year about 25% of the non-farm payroll is non-event. Like that big candles after one big candle then the rest of candles are what we call no head no tail candles okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we are live. If you talk too loud 3 countries can hear you. Any questions okay, because wherever you learn everybody share across the board. Any questions? Mm. So now you understand why I never enter the high of the first candle. I always plus something on top. Okay, the 2 points is based on price action value as I see based on my eyesight. So basically now it's let's say never break the 2003 points. The highest point go is 2020.25. Hmm. Ask him to take a look at the ask him to Jackie take a look at the S&P 500 gold market now. Is there any market directionality? Are we making a bullish move on upward side or downward side? If there is no strength, what we call no follow through strength for a bullish move or downward strength for a bearish move, that is what we call a non-directional market. That means that no strength, what I call no head no tail market. Means that there is no certainty up or down. We need to have big certainty up and down. For this goal now, for me to enter the market now, for Euro, for S&P 500 futures, for me, it must go above to 2004 points. Okay, then I will even consider to enter a long position. You see 这个 chart 啦 this is a bigger time frame chart means yeah, good news, Dr. Fu. But unfortunately, the news said, market said, not good enough. Expected. It's not news or good, ladies and gentlemen. A good news market is whether, what the word, big expectation. If everybody expect a good announcement for non-farm payroll numbers, say 250,000, then other, even if it hit 260,000, the price may not move. Because why? The market expect 250,000. Everybody expect 250,000. So 250, 270 is not much. It will not make a difference. And then you tell me, okay, gentlemen, the non-farm payroll now is not 250,000, expect 250K, but the movement is 300,000, 500,000. Then the price will move. Because why? The good news is so good, people don't expect it. People expectations is not good news. Mean expectation, yeah, it's good news, but it will not drive market. Cause why? Everybody expect it lah. Okay, everybody expect bad news, good news lah. So mere expectations, meet is very forecast foreseen. Any that forecast foreseen, we will not drive, will not news, will not create any what I call abnormal price movement. Really no hit no tail. After the first spike, then the second candle hit the high of 2002 at 0.25. Now it's like going down. This time, the last two candles is what we call inside candles. Means what? Inside the first big bar is the two candles inside. Means what? Come, gentlemen, tell me this last two candles show you what? The last two candles show you what?
Using volume. Harami.
Inside volume thing. More importantly is what we call you put it layman term, I quite no hit no tail, indecision. Market team is nothing. So indecision means what? The price will not go anywhere. It's bullish, it will go up. News exceptionally good, it will go up. If the news exceptionally bad, it will drop. The fact that after the first bar go nowhere means what? Nothing. Okay, as expected. So once mere expectation, you think the thing will move on? No. It's above expectations or below expectations. In substantial numbers will trigger abnormal move upwards or downwards. It looks like we may end up doing a short trade for this one, man. Let's see.
A short trade will only be done below 1,988.
1,009. Yes, you can go that way. Okay, because remember the channel high, the what we call the day channel for M5 is this here 1,896 level to the immediate high of 1,996. So this is what we call, you can, if you draw a 9 on top here, draw a 9 bottom here, this is what we call the channel. Okay, so this is a channel here. So if you want to break a channel up, you can break it out. If you drop below, what you say, 1988 level and below, and this trade enter will not be ultra trade already. It will become ultra intraday trading, not ultra intra-hour trading. Okay. Because why? In order to capture this profit for this trade, you must hold the trade for more than at least 1-2 hours at least. No more 5-10 minutes trade. Okay? Different. Both methods are still what you call same principle. What principle is that? Based on a normal candlestick movement. Let me show you in the chart form better. You see lah? You see the careful lah? This bar drop here exactly the same. Look everybody. Can you see the support resistance zone here? So if the thing break through within the next 1 hour, half an hour, break through the bottom line, then is what we call ultra breakthrough congestion zone. For you to do a day trading S&P 500 futures now, the market must do break below 1,800, 1,986 below. Okay, because this number is actually the bottom of the what we call the trading zone before the non-farm payroll. Okay, so now the two candles we see now is what we call indecisive candles. Okay, for Mr. Gold, even worse. You notice, gentlemen, ladies, I'm switching over to N15. Okay, any trade you enter at N15 level is considered more of a day trading than a normal intra-hour trading. Wow, very bad. The chart is not showing the movement. Okay, based on the chart pattern we have now, in another 10 more minutes, okay, it's half an hour after the non-farm payroll announcement, I had to declare non-trading night for non-farm payroll. Thomas can enter, gentlemen. 2-3 points movement. In order to make good money, you must use more contract. Okay, nothing wrong with that, but the strength of movement is not there. We want to long or short on strength, okay, not on normal market noise. If you trade on normal market noise, you make normal market profits. Go, also same problem. Now look at N15. After the first candle drop, after that, now current candle is where now? It's going up. So therefore we cannot trade all. There's no vitality or vitality to trade now. Okay? The news have met market expectations. So now once it met market expectations, the market is behave normally. Okay, let's end this non-farm payroll session. I am now going to declare March 2016 non-farm payroll turned out to be a non-event day. We just wasted half an hour. We just wasted half an hour of our time. Okay, like good traders like that, we will not wait and hope some more. let's close it up. Okay. Any last question? Any questions over for my webinar, my Thai traders and Vietnam traders? Please put it up on the chat before I close the session off. Any question your side here?